Trucking, man, we back in the building, man. How y'all doing? We in the building right now, man. How y'all like the setup? We out here, man. No longer do. We just want to talk about this yellow trucking. It seems like they actually, I don't know if they're going out of business or what, but what it looks like is that they're not giving their workers any more pension after 30 years of giving out pension. Hopefully this brother in this video gets his pension, but we're gonna go ahead and play the video for you guys right quick.
It's these motherfuckers right here. It's the motherfuckers on the top. But now we gotta do this shit again. We gotta do this shit again. And nobody tell me, and nobody here tell me why I get emotional. Why you talk like this? That's fucking ass. You don't know what I motherfucking feel. I want my ass over this motherfucking. Exactly. I've been here 30-something motherfucking years. Yeah, I agree too. 30-something fucking years. You tell me I ain't got no motherfucking pension. Yeah, nobody tell me to calm my ass down. Fuck everybody tell me to calm down. God damn it. This is my motherfucking money y'all playing with. Right. You're right, Dwayne. Fuck that shit. So this
that's tough. That's tough.
Fuck that shit, man.
So this is what I was
saying. Fuck this shit.
Anytime the government
analyze that
anytime the government bails out a corporation,
man.
Fucking job. It ain't you. It's these motherfuckers right here. It's the motherfuckers on the top. But now we gotta do this shit again.
So all I have to say is this.
We gotta do this shit again. And nobody tell me, and nobody here tell me why I get emotional. Why you talk like this? Fucking ass. You don't know what I motherfucking feel. I want my ass over this motherfucking. Exactly. I've been here 30-something motherfucking years. Yeah, I agree too. 30-something fucking years. You tell me I ain't got no motherfucking pension. Yeah, and nobody tell me to calm my ass down. Fuck everybody tell me to calm down. God damn it. This is my motherfucking money y'all playing with. Right. You're right, Dwayne.
Oh my God. Man, this is sad, brothers and sisters, just to see this guy going through it, man. This guy is literally very, very hot right now. And I can understand, because if you was out here working for 30 years and then your boss come in and tell you, guys, we're not going to have any pension no more. You know, I know you guys worked here a long time, and I know you guys put in a lot of sweat equity and wasted your guys' life, but guess what? Yeah, we ain't got no pension for y'all no more, man. I'm sorry. Man, that is terrible, man. I know this guy is hot, bro. How hot is he, though?
Glasses, jacket, shirt. Call me glasses, jacket, and shirt man.
Call him that.
I'll call me super hot, boy. 100 degrees, leather jacket, because I'm super hot, boy.
Man, that is terrible, man. I really feel sorry for the guy, man. I don't really know his name, but you know what I'm saying? I really just, hopefully he still gets paid out. Maybe he might be overacting, because he still might get paid out, because I've talked to people that said that their company has quit giving them pension, but at the same time, they still got paid out. Hey, man. Hey, so shout out to the people, man, that got paid out still. And hopefully this brother gets paid out. Man, that's sad, man. That's sad that that's even happened to dude, man. It's crazy. So I want you guys to be safe out there when you guys are navigating through these streets, dude, because they really don't want you to win. They really don't want you to win, but they want you to work. So you guys be careful out there with what you guys is doing. So Young Diesel Trucking, I just came here to drop some gems with you guys, man. I'm gonna leave you guys with something right quick. Let's go.
Before the shot, Shirt. After the shot, Yeezy. Before the cut, Shumper. After the cut, Beasley.